So friends, we have to install JSON server globally. So we will write sudo npm I -g JSON server. I wrote sudo because I am using Mac. It is not required for the Windows user. So let's press enter and it is installing. So it installed basically. Now I have one JSON file in documents inside db folder. I have one file db.json. So if you check, it have some uh, JSON data like post, comments and profile. So this JSON data will be loaded on the JSON server and we will fetch through the some API. So first we have to run the JSON server. We have to run on one IP and port. There is one default IP and port where this JSON server which we installed will be start running by putting one command. So and so after this we will have one some API to get back this data. So let's run the JSON server and we will check next. So to running this we must go to that folder where the JSON file is placed. So we have to go to cd documents, cd db. So we are inside db and we have to run the command npx json server and we have to write the file name, that is db.json. So let's press enter and we need to wait. So you can see the JSON server is started and we have three API to get the all three properties. So if we check the file, we have the post, comments and profile property, and on console we have the API to get post, comments and profiles. So if you check the post, if we run this API on the browser, you can get the result. So this way you have to put the JSON record in your file, you have to run the JSON server on that particular file path and we will get back some API, and after running those API you can retrieve back your data. So this can be used to test your application through the this JSON server plugins library. Thank you.